Germany beckons with its seamless blend of history and modernity, a paradise for the explorer at heart. From the historical depths of Berlin to the lush valleys of the Black Forest, each locale offers a distinct flavor of its heritage and contemporary culture. Welcome to this comprehensive guide by Trek Tales, where we embark on a journey through Germany's top 23 must-visit places. Prepare to be enthralled by the diversity and richness of experiences that await. Berlin, the pulsing heart of Germany, is more than just a capital. It's a testament to resilience. The Brandenburg Gate, once a symbol of division, now epitomizes unity and peace. Nearby, the Reichstag stands as a beacon of democracy, its glass dome offering panoramic views of the sprawling city below. Strolling through the remnants of the Berlin Wall, one can't help but feel enveloped by the intense history that shaped not only Germany, but the entire world. Berlin offers a profound narrative of triumph over adversity, making it an essential destination for any traveler. Venture into the mystical Black Forest, a region that embodies the soul of German folklore. This vast expanse of dense evergreen forests and picturesque villages is where the world-famous cuckoo clocks originate, a symbol of traditional German craftsmanship. Indulge in a slice of authentic Black Forest cake, a delicious concoction of chocolate, cherries, and whipped cream, born in this very region. The Black Forest is not just a place, it's an experience steeped in enchantment and cultural richness. Perched high in the Bavarian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle is the quintessence of a fairy tale dream. Built by King Ludwig II in the 19th century, it served as inspiration for Disney's Sleeping Beauty Castle, enchanting visitors from around the globe. The best views of the castle can be captured from Marienbrücke, a bridge that offers a stunning vista of Neuschwanstein against the backdrop of lush mountains. Visiting early in the morning or during the off-season can help avoid the crowds that flock to witness this architectural marvel. Munich, the capital of Bavaria, is renowned for its annual Oktoberfest, a festival that draws visitors keen on savoring its famous beers and lively atmosphere. Marienplatz, the central square, is adorned with historical buildings and the Glockenspiel, a fascinating cuckoo clock that enchants onlookers with its delightful mechanical show. Beyond the beer and festivities, Munich is a hub for art and culture, boasting numerous museums, galleries, and theaters. It's a city where traditional Bavarian culture merges seamlessly with modern life. Sailing down the Romantic Rhine, you're transported into a world of medieval towns and legendary landscapes. Castles like Rheinfels and Marksburg stand as proud sentinels over the river, offering a glimpse into the past lives of nobility and knights. The Lorelei Rock, steeped in myth, marks a particularly treacherous part of the river. According to legend, a siren named Lorelei bewitched sailors with her beauty and song, leading them to their doom. Today, it's a captivating spot that combines natural beauty with rich folklore, making the Rhine a romantic escape for history and nature lovers alike. Hamburg, Germany's gateway to the world, boasts an impressive port that ranks among the busiest in Europe. The city's maritime spirit is palpable at the historic Speicherstadt, the largest warehouse district in the world, where goods have been traded for centuries. The modern Elbphilharmonie, also known as Elfi, is a striking contrast with its futuristic design and acoustically advanced concert hall. Hamburg's deep connection with music extends from Brahms to the Beatles, who famously honed their craft in its live music venues during their early years. Dresden, often termed Florence at the Elbe, offers a stunning example of Baroque architecture with its skyline dominated by the Frauenkirche and Zwinger Palace. The city, largely destroyed during World War II, has been meticulously restored to its former grandeur, standing as a symbol of resilience. Visitors are drawn to the art collections housed in the Zwinger and the serene beauty of the riverside terraces. The story of Dresden's revival is a poignant reminder of the destructive costs of war and the restorative power of human effort and creativity. The Cologne Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, dominates the city's skyline with its twin spires. It is famed for housing the relics of the three wise men, making it a significant pilgrimage site for Christians worldwide. Beyond its spiritual significance, the cathedral is an architectural marvel, taking over 6 centuries to complete. Its detailed stone carvings and stained glass windows capture the essence of medieval craftsmanship, making it a must-visit for anyone interested in history and architecture. Germany's fairy tale road offers a magical journey through towns and landscapes that inspired the tales of the Brothers Grimm. From Sleeping Beauty's castle in Saarburg to the medieval charm of Hamelin, the setting of the Pied Piper, each stop on the road brings stories to life. This thematic route is perfect for families and anyone enchanted by the whimsical and fantastical elements of classic fairy tales. It's a unique way to experience the rich storytelling heritage of Germany while exploring its picturesque towns and countryside. Frankfurt stands as a stark contrast to Germany's historical towns, with its dynamic skyline filled with skyscrapers, earning it the nickname Manhattan. The city is not only a financial powerhouse, but also a cultural hub, with the Nuremberg offering a glimpse into its historical past with beautifully restored timber-framed houses. The city's museums along the museum embankment cover a range of themes from art and culture to natural history, making Frankfurt a vibrant center for both economic and intellectual pursuits. East of Dresden, the Saxon Switzerland National Park beckons adventurers and nature lovers alike. Its iconic sandstone formations and lush valleys provide stunning vistas and a playground for hikers, climbers, and those seeking solace in nature. The park's Bastei Bridge, towering high above the Elbe River, offers breathtaking views and is a highlight of any visit. The region's natural beauty is complemented by its tranquility, offering a perfect escape into the wilderness. Heidelberg captures the essence of German Romanticism, with its idyllic setting along the Neckar River and the ruins of Heidelberg Castle, which provide a hauntingly beautiful backdrop to the city. The castle, partially destroyed by lightning and wars, remains a poignant reminder of the city's turbulent history. The old town below is bustling with students from the esteemed University of Heidelberg, infusing the area with a youthful spirit. The blend of historic ruins, vibrant academic life, and scenic beauty makes Heidelberg a nexus of German romantic and intellectual life. Nuremberg, a city that once hosted emperors, now stands as a witness to both the heights of medieval architecture and the depths of modern history with its role in the Nuremberg trials. The city's imperial castle, markets, and churches reflect its medieval importance. During December, Nuremberg transforms into a winter wonderland with one of Germany's most famous Christmas markets. Here, visitors can enjoy traditional treats like Lebkuchen or gingerbread and Glühwein, which is mulled wine, making it a festive destination during the holiday season. Ascending to the Zugspitze, Germany's highest peak, offers a thrilling adventure for those seeking spectacular alpine vistas. Accessible by cable car or a cogwheel train, the summit provides panoramic views of snow-capped mountains stretching across 3 countries. During winter, the Zugspitze is a premier destination for skiing and snowboarding, while summer months offer opportunities for hiking and enjoying the alpine flora. The peak is a highlight for anyone wanting to experience the grandeur of the German Alps firsthand. Lübeck, once the capital of the Hanseatic League, is renowned for its well-preserved medieval architecture, including the iconic Holstentor Gate. This city by the sea was a major trading hub in the Middle Ages and still retains much of its historic charm. Lübeck is also famous for its marzipan, a sweet almond confection that is a must-try for visitors. The combination of rich history, distinctive architecture, and unique local flavors makes Lübeck a fascinating stop on any German itinerary. Weimar is a city that punches well above its weight in terms of cultural history, having been home to luminaries such as Goethe, Schiller, and Liszt. The city's classical, literary, and musical heritage is palpable, with numerous museums and sites dedicated to its former residents. The Bauhaus Museum, a recent addition, explores the revolutionary art and design movement that started in Weimar. For those interested in German intellectual history, Weimar offers a deep dive into the country's rich cultural past. Potsdam is synonymous with its Prussian palaces, particularly Sanssouci, the summer palace of Frederick the Great, which is often compared to Versailles. The palaces and their elaborate gardens represent the height of Prussian royal ambition and are a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city also played a significant role in 20th century history with the Potsdam Conference of 1945, where Truman, Churchill, and Stalin reshaped post-war Europe. Today, Potsdam offers a unique blend of historical significance and stunning architectural beauty. Bamberg stands out as a medieval marvel with its well-preserved old town that is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city is famous for its unique Bamberg Cathedral and its old city hall built in the middle of a river. Bamberg is also known for its Rauchbier, a smoked beer that is a local specialty. This charming city offers a step back in time with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings, all while enjoying a distinctly Bavarian beer experience. Leipzig is a city deeply rooted in musical history, having been home to some of the greatest composers such as Bach, Mendelssohn, and Wagner. The city's St. Thomas Church, where Bach worked as a cantor for nearly 3 decades, is a central point for music lovers. Today, Leipzig continues to be a vibrant center for music and the arts, with a dynamic scene that includes classical and contemporary performances. It's a city where the past and present harmoniously intersect, offering rich experiences for all visitors. Known as Germany's sunniest city, Freiburg is perfect for those who enjoy a milder climate and plenty of sunshine. The city is renowned for its medieval minster and vibrant eco-community, highlighted by its sustainable living practices. Visitors to Freiburg can enjoy hiking in the Black Forest or exploring the city's many cafes and vineyards. The city's commitment to environmental sustainability makes it a model of green living, offering a hopeful glimpse into the future of urban development. The Moselle Valley is famous for its scenic beauty and vineyards that produce some of the finest Riesling wines in the world. This region offers a picturesque escape with its rolling hills and peaceful riverside towns. A river cruise on the Moselle is one of the best ways to take in the beautiful landscapes and stop at quaint villages along the way. Wine enthusiasts will particularly appreciate the opportunities to sample local vintages directly from the vineyards. Regensburg, with its well-preserved medieval core, is a history enthusiast's dream. The city's Gothic cathedral, ancient stone bridge, and status as a former Roman fort site provide a fascinating journey through time. The city's historical authenticity and vibrant cultural life make it a captivating destination. Visitors can explore the old town's narrow alleys, bustling with cafes and shops, all while soaking in the rich history that surrounds them. Stuttgart, the cradle of the automobile, is home to both Mercedes-Benz and Porsche museums. These state-of-the-art facilities not only showcase vintage cars, but also explore the future of mobility with interactive exhibits. Car enthusiasts will find these museums a highlight, offering a detailed look at the engineering and design prowess that has made Germany a leader in the automobile industry. Stuttgart is a must-visit for anyone interested in the past, present and future of automobiles. Germany offers a staggering array of experiences, from the historical and cultural to the natural and modern. Each destination in this guide provides a unique glimpse into the country's rich heritage and vibrant present. Whether you're exploring the bustling cities, relaxing in the tranquil countryside, or delving into history at monumental sites, Germany promises a journey filled with enriching experiences. Remember to subscribe to Trek Tales on YouTube for more insightful travel guides and tips. Hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest adventures. Safe travels and explore to your heart's content.